Hiya, Notters. So I started today my artsy practice with just some enjoying of my laundry in the wind. It sounds a bit weird, but with the birds on the background, it was truly a relaxing thing. Then I went into my um, atelier and it all went wrong. It completely turned around. I started overthinking, and as you will see, the result is quite messy, as were my thoughts. But you know what? It's okay too. Everything is okay, whether you can be totally in the moment or just get distracted. It's as life happens, and it's just a way to accept this. Going with the flow sounds so easy, but I think it's one of the hardest things to do. So today it's about showing that it is okay to mess up. It is okay not to get really mindful or to be in the moment. We all get distracted. We are human after all. And even if we try as hard as we want, it's what happens. I want to thank you today for watching this video. And if you like my channel, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to it. And you can see more of my messing up, mindfulness, and whatever stories. Thank you, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.